I actually didn't realize how bad my debt was till I pulled everything and I calculated it.
How are you so off?
Girl, I'm not trying to do math here.
You're never making progress in your life whatsoever.
Never. That's why I'm like, why am I like this?
It's your choice.
Mm-hmm.
You're financially
Classic. I think I'm hilarious.
The tools to change your life have just been upgraded. Download my budgeting app, rebranded to DollarWise today, and start your free trial. Sign up for the annual version, and I'll send you my budget-friendly cookbook that can't be purchased anywhere else, and I'll personally sign it and mail it directly to you. Download the DollarWise budgeting app today and take advantage of your free trial.
Hi, I'm Shar. I'm 42 years old from Orlando, Florida, and you're watching Financial Audit.
Yes, you are, and thanks for coming on over to Austin for Financial Audit. What do you do there for a living?
I'm an operations coordinator, property manager, and wedding officiant.
Is it the same job? Same place? These are two jobs.
So the property manager and operations coordinator is one job, and then I own my own wedding officiant business.
Side hustle?
Yeah.
Okay, because if that was big enough to be full-time, you'd be doing that full-time, right? If that was like
Definitely not.
Oops.
I hit the microphone.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Okay, cool. So the full-time job, how much are you making in that?
$44,000 plus sometimes bonuses. A bonus.
$4,000 in Florida.
Yeah. Orlando.
Florida ain't cheap. Orlando, I don't know as much specifically, but I know Florida's not cheap. What hits your account on a monthly basis from that job?
So I take home after taxes $1,226 every 2 weeks, but I do have an extra $150 per paycheck taken out for business taxes to offset my business taxes at the end of the year.
You withhold extra?
Yeah.
Instead of just setting aside money from your business?
Correct. If it never hits my account.
Is the money you make from business stagnant, never going up, never going down? Because how would you?
It's very up and down.
Then how does that make sense to withhold from your main paycheck?
Because then at the end of the year, I might get a tax refund. Sometimes I might owe. It offsets it.
No, it doesn't offset it. It either makes you have to pay money or you gave the government a loan at 0%.
That's fine.
Is it? When you could just be setting...
No, because if I set it aside...
Are you not doing quarterly estimated payments?
No.
Why?
No. Oh, because I'm an individual. Sorry. I get really excited. I'm a sole proprietor, so I file my business taxes as S Corp. I think C Corp, something.
We're S Corp. We do estimated. Are you?
No, I just
C
file
Corp?
it maybe C Corp. I file as sole proprietor. That's all I really know. Hey, I file my taxes. That's.
Well, I'm thrilled. Do you work with a CPA?
No.
No.
I do it on TurboTax.
No way. No, you do not.
So I don't claim a lot of stuff.
Hold on. You must not make a lot of money. What does the second job make?
Sometimes I make more than my full-time job. So.
What the f- are you risking it then, man?
Risking what?
The IRS coming down and busting in your door.
But I pay my tax. Like I keep a spreadsheet of all my stuff and I save every email. I know, right? I'm going to get better at this. But I have
that's exactly what I'm saying is risky.
Everything that I buy that isn't parking is connected to my emails. So because parking, you don't get an email confirmation. But when I
literally
buy
every purchase you make in the world outside of parking, you get an email confirmation?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You stop into Wegmans or whatever is there.
Business. Every time I make a business purchase, it's always connected to my email because it's like advertising or something like that I pay.
You never get anything outside of that.
Just the oh my gosh, parking.
Why would you not work with a CPA?
I mean, I guess I should. I thought about it.
I guess you should. Because one, they could probably save you a lot of money. And two, they would tell you how much is a withhold on a monthly basis.
Yes.
So that you're just doing that instead of giving the government a free loan or having to pay more at the end of the year, which also just gets...
Yeah.
And they would probably, say, you're supposed to be paying estimated taxes, of which you might be facing penalties that you don't know about. I'm not sure. Depends on your situation. So the $1,226, right? That hits?
Yeah.
Is that after that extra withholding or before?
After.
Okay. And that hits twice a month, essentially, on average. Gotcha. Okay. So that is $2,452. That's hard to live on in Orlando. Now, the business, you say very up and down. Give me an example of like the last quarter. What came in? Q2. What did Q2 look like?
So what is that?
Actually, have we?
March, April, May, June, April, May, June. Oh, wow. Yeah, I was probably busy then.
Yeah, weddings.
Yeah. So
Married.
Florida. It's busy.
It's a state.
So yeah, I don't really know.
Oh, all that for no answer.
$12,000 for 3 months.
That's a guess, I'm assuming, since.
So listen, I require a $100 retainer, and then I get paid the balance 90 days before the
wonderful.
wedding.
How do you not know what you made and spend?
Because I
in Q2
pull it
this
all
year?
at the end. I don't pull it quarterly. I pull all of my financial transactions from like
lady.
Venmo, Cash App,
lady.
PayPal, Square.
When? At the end of the year?
Yes, sir.
That's insane.
And I have my little thing on like my efficient to-do process. So like I know that I'm supposed to be doing this, but I'm a slacker. I am a slacker, and I work better when I have to get it done. Trust me, I file my taxes in April.
You might have to get it done on a quarterly basis.
I'm going to find out. I actually didn't know about that. I'm going to find out.
Well, it's usually based on last year's taxes, but either way.
Oh, okay. So I don't know any. I'm not a business person.
How much did you make last year in your business as a non-business person?
Like $40,000.
Okay.
For the business, yeah.
Was that gross?
Oh, that was before all my expenses.
Good. What were your expenses last year?
Oh, I could pull it up if you want. Probably like $27,000, $20,000.
20 or 27? That's big when we're talking.
20.
So your profit was 20?
Sure.
Sure.
I have to pull it up. I'm not thinking about what I made last year all the time.
Then? Okay. Well, I mean, I'm going to use that as like this year's numbers since you can't tell me what this year's numbers are. And I'm literally we're what are we, 6.5 minutes in, and I am just trying to get your income. It's going to be one of those conversations I see.
I know. I'm sorry. I slept. What am I looking up? Oh, taxes. And I'm a giggler, just so you know. So just because I'm giggling and laughing doesn't mean I'm not taking it serious, because I'm here.
It is one of my triggers.
Do that. Yes. Oh, look, here's my thing on when to do what. My to-do, file taxes yearly.
Her to-do list is in a Google Sheet.
Oh, sorry. It is in a Google Sheet.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
27,850. Oh, that was payments on 2023. What the heck?
Last year was 24.
Oh, there it is. Oh no, that was lost revenue. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Taxes?
I think.
No, it's not.
It's not okay?
No. I should be a little more organized. You know what I mean?
Yes, preferably. I would suggest that.
So I don't know. I can give you the year before.
Why did you tell me, let me check in order to get my number? Because that's what.
Because I'm looking.
It sounded like you were able to just go click, clack, and you would be there.
Because I have my tax spreadsheet, and then I
just want
click
to
it,
know
but I'm not seeing my
what the income was for 24 and what the expenses.
$40,000 before taxes, $20,000
is your full guess.
Yeah.
What did you pay taxes on the 20?
Oh, no. Oh, dude, I don't know.
Oh, my.
Do you want to get
man?
I should have brought my computer and I could show you my whole tax return. I don't think about like.
How am I supposed to estimate what you make? What can I can add to your income? If this is a substantial part of your life, what the can I add to your monthly average?
Let's say I make.
No, why would I say let's say? Why would I let you say let's say? That doesn't make any sense.
$3,000 a month.
After taxes, expenses, I'm confused. What?
Before taxes. I mean, before expenses, before taxes.
Before expenses. And your expenses seem to be 50%.
Sure.
Sure?
I don't know.
But that's what you're saying for last year. That's what you're saying for last year.
I'm dying over here.
No, no, this is a pretty basic question. You're a business owner.
Oh, I know. That's why I'm like, why am I like this?
But it's your choice.
Yeah. That's why I'm wondering why I'm like this. Because why am I choosing this for my life? No, actually.
Can you try to answer that
you're
for me?
opening my eyes as to what I need to do because I'm not a business person.
You literally are.
I know.
It's the same income as your other job.
I am currently a business person, but I'm not business minded. Like I'm not looking.
What does that mean to you?
Like I'm not focused on making the most, and like I don't want 5 officiants under me.
Make. It's not about making more. I'm asking what you make.
So I'm pretty sure when I filed my taxes in April, because I do wait till the last minute, I probably brought in like $40,000 before taxes.
Yeah, we got that part.
And fees. So I'm estimating after, but then because you have mileage reimbursement, it's like a whole thing.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. You want me to pull up my tax return?
Oh my!
I might be able to. Yeah, I think so.
Sure. I don't know why you didn't just do that.
Because I'm all over the place here. Oh, I got emails for weddings. I might have to answer those. Classic. I think I'm hilarious. I know, right? Jeez, what's her problem? Okay, so I might not be able to pull up my
No, I'm
taxes.
just dealing with a quirky millennial again, I think. And I got in
quirky
trouble in the
millennial.
comments last time that I didn't like that.
I'm an elder millennial too, so that's even worse. Yeah, I don't have it. Let's just say I don't have it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm looking.
I don't know what to do with you.
I looked up taxes in both of my emails. Help me.
That's it? IRS, perhaps. Maybe search IRS.
Damn it.
IRS. Search IRS.
Can I
TurboTax.
Yeah, TurboTax.
Yeah, search the platform you use.
I'm telling you, if I had my computer, it's all on there.
That's great. But this is your same. Your email's the same.
Oh, here, look. Ooh la la. Okay, that's French. Hold on, waiting for a confirmation text. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited to finally pull this up. Let's hope that I was right on. I know, I'm so sorry. This is going to be a 14-hour podcast. I'm here for the long haul. Okay, downloading my return. Beep, boop, 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 boop. With you staring at me, it doesn't help.
I can look over here.
Oh, wait, that's not it either. I got my tax return up. I'm just looking for the financial information on it.
If you just give me the phone, I could probably.
Oh, yeah. Oh, here it is. There it is. I scrolled for you. My screen might be a little dark. One year I made almost $100,000.
No. No, this is.
What happened?
Hold on. I think she's literally okay.
Did I mess up my taxes?
Maybe.
Oh, God. I heard you can write things off, but I don't. Like, I know a DJ that wrote off a watch. No, I don't write anything like that off. Just my long
I don't even
gowns.
want you to think about write-offs. You don't.
No.
Write-off is.
I don't do that unless I'm traveling for a wedding.
Yeah, I want to be very clear. So far, all I'm seeing is your $44,000 of your W-2 income.
Oh, maybe it's at the bottom. No, I definitely filed my business taxes on that.
I certainly hope so because additional income
there.
is listed as $1,300. I will keep going.
Oh, maybe that was after.
Okay, so here we go. W-2, $44,388.
What's the 388?
Your income from your business.
For 1 month?
No, wait, hold on. But why is that under... Oh, hold on. Gross income for sale. Okay, wait. Okay. Form W-2 instead of trying to put... But no, this is your business. Why am I saying W-2?
Cool. You scared me.
Oh, you scared me.
Because I know I file my business.
Yeah, but hold on. No, but this is what's crazy is like, okay, let's pretend this is your business. And if you had $20,000 of valid business expenses, all you did was there's no expenses claimed. You're just throwing in wait.
No, there's... What's up?
I do believe she claimed $42,000 of expenses, as net profit is listed as $1,369.
$43,000 in it. Oh, maybe that includes mileage? Because I drive like 20,000 miles $43,000 in
this big guy.
expensive.
And
in
if
expenses.
an audit comes,
There's no way.
qualified business income $1,272 after everything.
Can I see that?
In a moment, I'm going through a lot here.
That's where my spreadsheet comes in handy too, though, because I know how much expenses
Brother, you don't know
based
how
on
to
the
use your
spreadsheet.
spreadsheet.
I know. Well, I didn't see it in my Google Drive because I use Google Drive for everything.
All right.
I mean, so for all my business
She
stuff, I
made
have
a total
my
profit of $1,300. So great. That means you make $45,500 a year. I don't think you had to pay more on that, and you probably got a. Did you get a refund for last year?
yeah, it was like $1,500.
Yeah, I'm sure it was. There it is.
And then the year before, I owed some monies.
This is crazy. Using the 2025 IRS standard mileage rate, 20,000 mile reimbursement for business purposes would be about $14,000, which you add that to your 20 and then you add even more to it. Your business makes no money. How much time do you spend on your business?
So
Because to be very clear, it is a break-even hobby.
yeah. Well, I mean,
Unfortunately, where you
I don't
suggested
care. I love it.
I don't care. I get more pussy in Fortnite than you do.
that's wonderful. You don't make much money for for Florida, and you're on the show, meaning you're likely in a lot of debt.
Yes.
So whether that's an option in the end, I no longer know. How much do you spend on this hobby?
Well, apparently $40-something thousand in expenses, but I didn't know that. Time. Sorry.
Brain blast!
Like, so every wedding would be 3 hours, including commute. So like 45 minutes there, 45 minutes back, an hour and a half at the wedding.
Big math. I don't know how many weddings exist per week or month. So how much time are we spending on this job that is your business?
A month, a week, a day.
Oh my gosh.
Like,
give
what are
me
you looking
a
for?
week average,
Okay.
please. How much time? Which goes into planning and and everything. Yes, how much?
25 hours if I have X amount of weddings.
25
like
hours.
7 or 8 weddings.
25 hours a week. What do you make, 1,300? Great. You're making $1 an hour
Woo
on
woo.
average.
I'm rich.
That's okay, great. Yeah, I'm glad you can be quirky about it, but yeah, you're financially because you wouldn't be on the show. I don't know your finances yet, but you wouldn't be on the show if you weren't. To make $1 an hour, 25 hours a week, I don't think is the best use of our time as much as you love it.
I love it.
A Filipino sweatshop would make more money.
I don't love that.
No, none of us do, and it wouldn't be as fun, but you would make more money doing anything except for working in prison.
Mm-hmm.
Why the are we spending so much time doing this, dude?
Because
when
I really
you're in
like
a
it.
death position.
I'm really good at it.
Okay, then.
Have you checked out my reviews?
No, but it's clearly not resulting in you making a living.
So if I changed a few things, I could definitely make more.
What?
But
Change
since
what?
I said that I'm not like a business person, I haven't
That's
really
not about
like
that. Dude,
stepped it
listen,
up.
I can't even add that to your income. You make $2,452. That's insane.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I was not sure where you were getting that number, but I know what you mean now.
What do you mean? That's the number you gave me.
Yeah. No, you were so 1 minute we were talking about the business, but then you had brought up my full-time job pay, so it just threw me off for a minute.
Dude, the per capita income net in Orlando, by the way. Hold on. But then the metro. So this is a census reporter. Has it at $3,000 a month. You're under the per capita net income. But then actually in the entire metro in 2023 was 57,000. Buddy, you make nothing.
Yeah. That's why I'm
You're
here.
dying.
Yeah,
that's why I'm
dying.
here. Well, but
we're
no,
all
that's
dying
not
every day.
Income isn't a that's why I'm here situation.
No.
So what are we doing? What is going on in your life? What is going on? What are we talking about today? Because 20 minutes to establish what you make in your area, by the way.
If I didn't
don't know if that's
should
a
have
record,
had
but
this. Yeah. I would have had the information ready. I just honestly didn't know that you would be asking that, or I totally would have had like, everything ready.
Have you seen the show?
I actually watch it all the time.
Are you broken then? Because you know that is the literal first question I asked.
Yes, but I thought you had it in my financial statements that I sent to you.
Not in terms of averages and stuff, but it's also a very good question and exercise to see if you even know what you make.
Clearly,
do you know what you spend?
A lot.
Wonderful. Let's try that in a
I know on
financial
these credit
number.
cards I spent a lot, but it was
let's try that
above
in
my
a numerical
average.
way.
Yeah.
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 What do you think you spent last month?
A month. Okay.
Last month.
Like on rent, all my bills,
everything together. And for what it's worth, again, if we do all business before expenses, so include your business expenses in the expenses, but all business income before expenses and your regular income was
$7,500.
$7,579.83. Was your income. Girl, what was your
Oh, no. That's what I thought I spent. Damn it.
Oh, no. That was your income.
Oh.
Girl.
That was, I don't know.
Yeah, when you answered a different question, you got it right somehow.
I know. Isn't that weird?
What was your out?
It's like I'm psychic.
What went out?
$8,500.
Very good. So more?
Yeah, more. I probably spent more than I brought in.
Okay. Well, it was $9,684.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang it. How did I spend $9,000? I mean,
well, that's the question everyone asks whenever this comes up.
But
here's the thing. Clearly, it's debt, or else you wouldn't be here, honestly, because you are required to have debt in order to be on the show. And that is what must be supplementing this. I see no other way. What is your life? What is going on? Please tell me just like what is going on. We answered the income, now just tell me what's going on.
All right, let's be real. Credit feels like the ultimate catch-22. You need good credit to get anything, but how are you supposed to build it if no one will give you a chance? It's like trying to get into a gym, but they won't let you in until you're already shredded. And that is why what Kickoff is doing is so game-changing. It is designed just to help you build credit. And here's the kicker. Users who started with a credit under 600 saw an average improvement of 84 points in their first year just by making on-time payments. You can start with Kickoff for just $5 a month, and your first month, just $1. It's simple. You make on-time payments, the credit bureaus notice, and your credit can grow fast. If you're trying to buy a car, rent an apartment, or finally escape high interest rates, stop waiting for a miracle. Start building credit today. Head to getkickoff.com/Caleb and start your first month for as little as $1. That is getkickoff.com/Caleb. Thanks again to Kickoff for sponsoring. Let's get back to the video.
I like going on vacation.
What is this?
You'll find that out.
You tithe 10% to your dad?
So you allow people to tithe to their church. So therefore,
I allow people to?
Yeah, when you do their budget at the end of the show.
Because you can't change someone's religion. And also that's happened like 5 times on this show's history in 3 years.
Well, I've seen
uploading 3 episodes a week. Okay, super fan. Yay.
Not a super fan.
If you've seen that episode.
Yeah, I did.
I don't even know what episode that is, so you know more about financial audit than me. But either way, yes, because I can't change someone's religion. That's just deep in their bones, man. So no, I can't take that away. But what? Well, how does that? What is your dad? Your religion?
No, but like, although I am in financial crisis, I feel like he needs the money more than I do. I mean, I need the money.
Do you not need
but
to pay
he
your
needs
bills?
money. No, but
what? Huh? Why does he need more money more than you do? What? Explain this logic here. 10%. You give a 10% dad tax?
It's not like it's mandatory. I do it when I can.
But you do it and you never
I go
can.
weeks without.
You wouldn't be able to do it because everything should be going towards that. Do you have a fully funded emergency fund?
I I have like $8,000, $9,000.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you do not.
In my savings, I have $4,000, $3,000,
Girl,
and
I have your statements.
$2,600.
I don't think you know what you're talking about.
What are you talking about? I can pull up my Chase account.
That wouldn't make any sense because you also, by the way, bad debt alone, $50,000. Other debt, which are 0% currently, are just $7,000. So we're at a total of $55,722.34. Let's say you had $8,000 in there. You don't, by the way. Let's say. Why the f would that not be going to 30% debt that is accumulating when you have $55,000 of debt?
I was going to ask you how I should spend that money. If I should save it
How
on
we should spend that money. Great.
Or if I should
so
save
if you have that much debt, why are you giving your dad 10%?
Well, I mean, I just send him $50 every week if I can.
What is this 10% then? You said you told Lindsay you tied 10% to your dad.
It's 10% of the $2,500 I bring home from my office job.
To your dad. You said you sent him 50 here and there. What's true? See,
it's usually 50.
This is again why I don't believe your savings thing. What's true?
$50
you just said two
a week
things.
when I can. Recently, I didn't. I haven't.
What's this 10%
maybe
thing?
Two
What's
times
this
a month
10%
instead of
thing?
4.
What's this 10% thing?
Because then it's in my budget.
10% would be $240.
Yeah. So it's approximately
so where's the 10%?
8%. Can I tithe 8%? I'm not a math person.
$50 is not 8%.
Girl, I don't know. I'm not trying to do math here.
And
I'm
this
just saying.
This is again why would I listen to you when it comes to what numbers are where?
I'm not trying to teach you anything.
Not teach. I'm just trying to get answers to your questions. What do you mean teach? There's no teach. I wouldn't go to you for teaching for anything. I don't know what you're talking about, man.
I am the worst. In case you didn't know.
I don't know, but I hope that's not the case.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, you do 12 to 15 weddings a month. With that amount of time, 170 weddings a year, with that amount of time, the income you could be going and making and paying off all this debt. Because really, if we're being honest with just how money is transferring around and translating, this essentially means you are subsidizing you spending your time going and doing all these weddings by building up your debt. Because by the way, another reason why I don't believe in the savings thing, remember when you spent $2,000 more than you made last month? Like, this isn't lining up. You're subsidizing you wanting and going to do this hobby when you should instead be working more, and that would at least pay your bills. But instead of doing that, you are just accumulating debt to subsidize your business hobby.
Can I pull up my savings for you? This is bothering me.
I shut the
want you to see my account.
Stop! I have it here.
You clearly don't, or you would see where I have the money.
I hate you.
I hate you.
No, I don't. I don't hate you.
It's
but
even.
That's very annoying. I hate that moment. Because I literally have the documents in front of me. Can you let me go through them? You know, the show that you've seen 1,000 times?
You're calling me a liar, though, and I'm not a liar.
I have the spreadsheet.
I might not know things.
It's ignorance.
It doesn't make me. It is ignorance, but it's not.
Great. Why are you here? Why are you here?
I'm here to marry you, Caleb. That's why. I need my chance.
What the
You
Dude,
and your
you're
boo.
like
I'm going to marry you
me.
and your boo. You're like 35.
I'm 30.
12 years. We could be boos in another lifetime.
Lady.
You could help me financially. You could pay half my rent. I'm just kidding. But I really would love to marry you and your boo when you get married and propose.
Oh, okay.
I'm never getting married. What are you talking about, Willis? No, I will not marry you, Caleb.
By choice?
Thank you, Will. Yeah, by choice. Yeah. It's good. I love other people's marriages and I love doing weddings and everything, but I feel like it might not just be for me. I'm good.
You just wanted to...
You can have a commitment.
You can go solo if you want.
Yeah. I do solo everything. But you can have commitment without the marriage, for sure.
Okay, well, I mean,
it's good.
Maybe if we get there, I'll talk to you.
It's very peaceful.
Especially since I know you charge not enough.
Yeah, I'm free.
Oh, that should be good. Oh, you're free.
Yep.
right?
I don't charge people that I know, like when vendors want me to do their wedding.
Yep, you do this as a hobby, and you're going to
I love
to
it.
subsidize it. I know you love it, and you also love
can't
debt because that's
explain
how
that
you do
enough.
it. You don't have to. I know you like it. That's not something you have to defend.
Yes.
It is actually very clear in your actions through subsidizing it through debt that you love it. I'm saying that might not. That's one, not sustainable for sure, especially since you don't have a dual income household situation. Whatever, that's what you choose. That's okay. I'm not judging it, but this means you have to take more responsibility on your own because it's all on you. And instead, you're just f***ing it up. So it's not about you loving it, not loving it.
I think I'm going to get a CPA.
Yes, at a minimum would be nice.
Because
what you might be doing,
up.
well, your taxes might be illegal.
No, I mean, I hope not.
No.
I'm
You
gonna
can
go
claim
back through
anything and everything on TurboTax. It doesn't mean it's real.
But I only claim stuff that I like. Business
Yes, but not everything's a
expensive to
write-off.
have.
Not everything's deductible
Oh,
the way
I
you
see what
think,
you
the
mean.
way
Yes,
everyone thinks.
Yes, got it.
You will get destroyed if the IRS decides to ever.
Better get my stuff in order then.
I agree. You might have to.
It's all in my email.
You might have to re-amend some of those taxes, but we'll see.
Yeah,
okay.
that's
Okay.
fine.
Where do you think your finances land? 0 to 10, 0 being the worst, 10 being the best.
2.4. I took it 3 times.
Okay. Very good. And what she took was the Hammer Financial Score, of which you can take for free. See where you stand in the world of finances. See where you're doing great. See where you need to improve. And see if you're just doing average. Take the assessment. It is free at calebhammer.com. And don't forget to sign up for the DollarWise budgeting app. You don't want to be like a guest who ends up on the show. If you like it, sign up for the annual version to save a lot of money. And there you will also get our budget-friendly cookbook signed by me, mailed directly to you. And you can also bundle it with all of our educational products all in one for 80% off by joining the top-end service, DollarWise Central. Check it out. Tens of thousands of people have changed their lives. DollarWise.com. All right. Time to get into these documents because there are a lot. What the f*** are you saying when I'm talking?
Sorry. Oh, the coffee is kicking in for you. I could tell by your fast talking. That's all. I will shut my mouth.
Well, no, it's okay. I just didn't know what you were saying because I was talking.
I know. I'm sorry.
Okay. City Strata Premiere. I don't know the Strata Premiere. I've never done the Strata Premiere. Is this also Fat Stack? Maybe we're doing another Fat Stack week. This is crazy.
It's all one card.
This is a ton. This is not all one card, but this is crazy. This is a ton of paperwork. We're going to be here for 1,000 years. City Strata, what is this? Ladies and gentlemen of Financial Audit, this is one of the most exciting moments in this channel's history. You know I've been working on building all these educational tools, our budgeting app, all this crazy stuff over this past year, because that is where my passion is. We finally did it, and now we put it all into one program called DollarWise Central. You get the premium version of my budgeting app. You get the cookbook mailed to you and signed by me. You get to learn about debt, investing, budgeting, real estate, basic beginner stuff in finance, all the way to the advanced stuff. Collaborated by experts with the lowest refund rate in the industry for a reason. And guess what? If you are struggling or you want to learn more or you want to change your life in any way whatsoever, like literal tens of thousands of people have done with our programs, go to dollarwise.com. Click that link below. Your life will change. It'll be incredible. And I am here for you with an incredible support team that you can reach at any time. This is a no-brainer. Dollarwise.com. Let's go.
It's a credit card.
I know. What the you're using it for? What is going on with this card? Girl, you've seen the show.
That card, I currently don't use it for anything. I did put 2 balance transfers. Well, technically 3, but one was paid off. So right now, there's one on that statement.
What do you mean?
Like that $3,000 that you see is a previous balance transfer that's at 0% till January 2026.
Okay, well, interest is accruing on here.
Is it?
Yes. Oh.
How much for that month?
$5.
Oh.
So it's from a previous one where the 0% must have ended.
Maybe
you owe $3,254.95.
Yes.
Okay. How long does this take to pay off? If you do minimum monthly payments only.
Oh.
Without purchasing anything, which historically you're likely incapable of knowing how much you spend money, but yeah, let's see.
11 years.
Stop
I don't
the
know.
quirky millennial bullshit.
I don't know. So therefore,
Listen, again, she's lovely, just like the other person that was the quirky millennial bullshit.
yeah.
I got called out for being mean to that person, but you have no idea if you're just trying to have a conversation on the show and they're bringing in their quirky millennial bullshit. It is very obnoxious on this side of the table. Just because it's interesting to see as the audience doesn't mean I have to enjoy it.
Wah.
Ha ha ha, how many years, lady?
Okay, so let's see. 3,200 divided by minimum payment X times 4. Hold on, for real though. Like 10 years.
12, close.
Okay.
I want to fact check you're not spending. Pull up the statement on your phone.
Oh,
The
yeah,
current,
cool.
what it shows right now.
Okay.
Like,
Damn, this
would
would
I
have
even
been so much
believe you?
better on my
Would I
computer.
even believe that you're not
Listen,
spending?
I'm not lying. You act like
We'll
I'm lying
see.
about
It's
stuff.
lying out of intention, I don't know. But ignorance throughout this, everything I've picked up in the, 35 minutes we've been filming, yeah.
Okay.
This is this city, Strata.
I know, because I did a balance transfer offer. Another one, a
It's
separate
up to
one.
$7,000.
Yeah, because I did a balance transfer offer.
So this is new.
Yes. And it's like 0%.
The debt's
for-
worse. The debt is worse.
It is, but it was moved from one card to another.
Great, which opened up the ability to spend on that card.
No,
Yes.
because it's paid off.
No.
So therefore, I'm not using
transferred
it.
off. You. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. It's at 0. That's, yeah.
yes,
that's what
but
I
then
meant.
it all of a sudden gives you the ability to purchase. When you don't have money because you spend more than you make. Oh my. Oh geez.
I've been trying not to use the
Oh,
cards that are at
very
0.
wonderful. I'm thrilled that you're trying not to. She spends $2,000 more than she makes.
It used to be a lot better.
So it's no longer $3,254. It is actually at $6,964.59, which, by the way, is only $500 from the limit.
Yeah. And they keep sending me balance transfer offers. I'm like, dude, I have no monies. I cannot do another one. But
Money's
thank
great.
you.
Oh my. Okay. Oh, she's millennial.
What are you? Are you a millennial?
By a year. I'm
Are you
the
a
last
Zoomer?
one.
You
I
seem
know.
like
I'm
a
the last
Zoomer.
millennial. I am the final millennial, but it's not like it's just
That explains the problem.
No. I don't even do the gender bullshit because the gender bullshit's nothing. There's nothing scientific. There's nothing. Whatever. We just, as humans, we love to categorize things. I'm more of the belief you're not aligned with your generation. You're aligned with people 10 years older than you,
Yes.
10 years younger than you. Those are the people you're similar to. Those are the people that you grew up cultural wise. Other than that, it doesn't matter. And clearly, you are outside of that range. But either way, just the stereotypes. You were doing the full stereotypes. What is the normal minimum monthly payment now?
Pardon me? What's the average monthly payment?
No, what is the normal minimum monthly payment now that the balance is gone
the
up?
minimum monthly payment. Like $75 a month.
Okay, so it's gone from 41 to 75. Very good. Take your phone. I don't want to catch the millennial disease.
I know. Cooties. Girl cooties. Ugh. Can I pull up my bank account for you?
No, stop. We will get there.
I'm obsessed at this point. Can't think past
Just
it.
stop. Please. Shh. First of all, $270 of fees this year so far, which is now probably $500 because of your other new balance transfer. Interest is never a coin. Yeah, $269.70 of interest this year. Great. That is accruing from only a $278.45 balance. And that was a separate balance transfer offer.
Yeah.
Okay. And by the way, it's just 2 months. 2 months and the $3,708 from the past month, not even your new month, is when that starts accruing interest. So let us start accruing interest in 2 months.
Yes.
Actually, from this exact date, less than 2 months. Great. And then with what you just put on is probably coming up in 6 months, 3 months, 4 months? I don't know. So it's not like this is great. You're certainly not paying this off with the way you spend money, the way you live your life, the way you subsidize yourself on debt. You are not paying this off by the time it starts accruing interest. There's no way.
Yeah.
Less than 2 months, good the luck. What was your plan with this card? What was your grand plan?
Probably do another balance transfer offer.
And tell how long that's not possible.
Yeah, I know.
And then what? You're endless kick the count down the road and let fees and interest accrue over time. Because even if your balance transferring before interest accrues in less than 2 months, you're still getting these $250 fees every time you're hitting these things.
Yeah.
So you're just getting that every few months. So no matter what, I mean, it's like you're accruing interest regardless with how often you're doing it. So this doesn't make financial sense, and your debt is getting worse, and you're doing nothing to even pay it off. This makes no sense to me. Yeah, I mean, I'm being told then just you've done it 2 times with a certain debt alone, just like boom, 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 and now you're doing it a 3rd time, and you're about to do it a 4th time. This is just insane. You're not a credit card person. Why do you use credit cards?
So
You can't manage them to save your life.
the problem is, like, I got my first credit card when I was like 20 years old. So
Later than most at 18.
No, I know. Yeah. It was one of those cards where you it was secured.
Why are
credit
you
card.
using them today?
Yeah, I'm telling you. So basically, from that age to like my late 30s, I was a credit card person. All of my credit cards, when I put money on them, I would pay
2
it
years
down and
ago.
whatever. Yeah. So what had happened was I went on a trip to Africa. At the time, I could afford it.
Your ginger ass can't handle that sun.
It was great. I went in the winter. So technically it was our summer, but it was their winter.
So South Africa.
No, I went to Tanzania. It's beautiful. You should go. You should take your boo there. She would love it. I stayed in a treehouse on my birthday.
I like houses on the ground.
Yeah, it was great though. And they had an outdoor shower. It was super cool.
Very
Solar
modern
powered hot
country.
water. Yeah, it was neat. No, I mean, they had indoor shower too. So anyway, I bought this freaking Safari, and then at the time I had 0 car payment. I had my car paid off that I paid off in like 2 years. I was so proud of myself because back then I had more money. And my rent was like $1,100 back then. So then I got in a car accident. So I had a car payment. So then that reduced some of the money I was bringing in, or, more money going
I
out.
believe they call Orlando the Tanzania of Florida.
It is. There's freaking giraffes everywhere and alligators. Except Tanzania has crocodiles. Lol. Okay, anyway. I forgot I'm quirky millennial. Ooh. That's what I'm going to dress up for as Halloween. It's quirky, but it's going to look like you. Sorry. So anyway, I used to be a credit card person. I used to pay them off all the time. I got
you
into
saw
my
giraffes?
Safari debt. I saw all the freaking...
I don't give.
Okay, I'm sorry. You keep
No, you're
distracting
blaming
me.
a Safari
Yeah, so
for $55,000 of debt, which is now higher.
so credit card and loan debt is like what, $26,000, and then my car payment is the other $24,000, right?
You got more on credit.
No, sorry.
Away!
I thought you were
Away!
Don't get
Oh,
violent.
yeah, stop touching my dude.
Just like my mom, I'm telling you.
Yeah, it's almost like you should have learned your lesson.
I didn't. I'm even worse now. Thanks, Mom.
Okay, so you did not answer my question by any means. Great.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, wonderful.
Oh, no, yeah. So I used to be a credit card person. I used to pay it down. I did this trip. Then my freaking engine blew, so I had to get another car. I bought this Honda CRV that I love, and it's beautiful and amazing. And so my car payment went up like double. Then my landlord wouldn't fix my toilet, and I'm living like white trash over here in this apartment. So I got a house to live in. And so now it's all over the place. Like I have
what
all
kind
my
of coke-ass
debts.
excuses are these?
Oh, yeah.
Listen.
Oh, no, it's not an excuse. This is the reason. Because I spend and I'm not able to pay it off.
You're not a credit card person. Use
No.
the Fizz card, debit card that
Yes.
builds credit.
Got it.
And if you also decide to ever get a job that makes money,
No, no, thank you.
then I will gift you a course career certification.
Oh, I'll do that. Yeah, I wanted to do accounting. I was looking
There you
at
go.
it the
You
other
can do
day.
accounting. I'll get you it for free.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So all that interest is about to start accruing like crazy. Balance is higher than the statements you sent in. So that's wonderful. Okay. Capital One Venture. What's going on here, lady?
I got a lot of auto pays on that. So I pay my insurance.
$1,391.68 of auto pays?
I mean, maybe.
Because that was the purchases you did.
Yeah.
which, by the way, is substantially more than you put towards the card in terms of any kind of payment. Oh, it's maxed out. That's wonderful. Well done. $29.08 of interest accruing. She looks confused that I say maxed out. You're right.
Yeah.
Technically, there's a $30 thing on there. You could go to McDonald's one and a half times.
I just didn't. Oh, yeah, my Capital One. Yeah, that is. Sorry. I get my credit cards confused because I got a lot.
Yep, we really trust the savings thing you're really adamant about. $4,957.82 is the balance of the minimum monthly payment of $78. So what's actually going on with this? It's not just minimum monthly payments. There's no way. Unless your minimum monthly payments are insane. Your auto payments are...
$4,100 is a balance transfer offer. Yes. I'm the queen.
Dude.
For 9 months.
Doesn't make sense. You're never making progress in your life whatsoever.
Never.
No, legitimately. You're okay with that?
No.
Then why do you do it? Because you're doing it. You're choosing to do it. You just did it. I just saw your phone. Since you sent the statements in, you've literally done it.
So I actually didn't realize how bad my debt was until I pulled everything and I calculated it.
Oh,
thought it was like, to be honest, like 12,000 or less debt of bad credit card debt.
How are you so off? How are you so off?
Well, the bad credit card debt's like $21,000,
Why are you so off?
Because it was like I was blind to it. It was like I go online and I see my accounts and I pay off my accounts and stuff, or not pay them off, but I pay towards my accounts, but I just wasn't, it was like I wasn't taking it in.
All the credit card debt that you then transfer on European trips, Amsterdam, Paris, Dublin, and then your stupid African trip a couple years ago. This is just crazy. You're traveling endlessly. How often are you traveling? And then you spend it all on a card, let it sit there, don't do anything other than the minimum payment until the interest starts to accrue, and then you transfer it. We just do that over and over again until you can't.
Yes, that is the goal.
That's the goal. I thought you said you didn't like it.
I don't. Then
why do you do it? You have not answered that question. Why do you do it? Hi, listen here, Financial Audit. I've curated the exact resources and tools I personally use or would use if I was in certain situations. So take advantage of these offers in the resources section in the description below. The first one, I've moved my investments to Webull. Do the same and transfer to my investing app of choice, and you get cash bonuses of $200 all the way up to $30,000 depending on initial funding amount, and up to 8.1% APY on your money, and up to 3.5 matches for your IRA. And then number 2, a great new checking account that I've switched over from SoFi, and it's called Chime. Get that $550 bonus when you sign up with direct deposit and get almost 4% on your money just sitting there. And then 3, automate your investing with Acorns. Usually sign-up incentives are only $5, but you get $20 with my link. Number 4, you can increase your income and boost your resume with a course career certification. 5, if T-Mobile is good in your area, switch to Helium and get a literal $0 a month phone plan for the same exact service. But most importantly, go get your free Hammer financial score and see where you stand in the world of finances. Take the assessment at calebhammer.com. You will not regret any of these. Change your life today.
Because in the moment, instead of paying that $60 a month for month after month, you do the balance transfer offer and it's like 1% transfer fee. So you pay like $200.
That's insane though.
Well, you pay the $200, and then if you have 4 months. Okay,
you don't pay it off in time for any kind of benefit.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yes.
What do you mean? What else would I? Okay, fine. No. So listen, you literally just did this before coming on the show. You took that action.
Yes.
Walk me through that moment.
Oh wait, what did I do before we came on the show?
Oh, you just transferred to the previous card. You tit. Listen, you just transferred because remember, I had a balance of $3,000.
I'm so sorry. I thought you were talking about the Capital One. We're all over the place here. And I'm already all over the place.
Walk me through it. You made that decision to just do that before coming on the show where you knew you'd be called out from it, even though you yourself are saying you do not like doing it and you do not want to do it.
It's a necessary evil at this point because I've gotten in the cycle. So I'm cycling through it. I'm an experienced person. And I grew up Jehovah's Witness. I was in a cult. Now I'm out. White trash Jehovah's Witness cult. I've succeeded.
Oh.
I mean.
Oh.
I don't have any broken down cars in my yard.
Oh.
Do you?
No.
Good. Don't you hate when people park up by the front door, like in their yard? It's a Florida
It's very
thing.
weird.
Yeah.
I don't live in those areas.
The old apartment I lived in, that's the kind of area it was in.
Yes. Very good.
Slumlords.
Right.
Yeah, it's
Your
good
dad,
time.
oh, this is where you learn your tax strategies from your dad.
yeah.
Your dad's never paid taxes because he's Jehovah's Witness?
No, I mean, I don't think they correlate. I think he just didn't pay taxes.
That's what was just typed to me.
Oh, I mean, I think it's two separate things.
He's never paid his taxes.
As far as I know, he
I
didn't.
know you're in chat.
Oh, wait a second. I know that he did because he worked for Disney, like helping build 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. So back in the day, maybe he did. But as far as I know, when he had his own business, like growing up, as far as I know, he did not pay taxes. Because when I went to go sign up for college, they need your parents' tax return. So that's when I learned, because my mom never had a job where she could pay taxes. It was always like under the table kind of thing. So I learned from them to file my taxes.
Okay.
I know that it's
All
super
right.
important.
Okay. Gotcha. Let's see your purchases that were done on here. Our auto renews.
Oh, you're
going to
love this. It's going to be
I'm
great.
sure I will. I'm so excited. PayPal and Hulu. Paramount. Why are you getting Paramount, dude? Boxy. Charm Bixby.
Ipsy.
Great. Ride Paris. Microsoft 365. That's fine. Little Caesars. Lots of Uber trips in here. Universal Orlando. Universal Orlando for $734. SunPass. What do you go to Universal for $734? You live there. How much you need to do that, you tat?
It's for Halloween Horror Nights, which is a must.
What?
It's a must. I must see you in the fog. Don't go alone. Except I go alone.
I don't know what you're saying.
Taglines from Halloween Horror Nights.
Oh, you're terminally online, aren't you? Because you're so alone.
Yeah.
I hear it.
Mm-hmm. I'm online watching this show.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Listen, again, that's nothing's wrong with being alone. Alone's great if you choose
Oh,
to
I
do
love it. It's good.
Everyone's journey is their own. I support everyone's choice to do whatever they want to do. It's not bad. It's not sad. I don't give a you live your life. But I can tell through your language that you do not spend a single second not in front of a screen.
I mean,
Except for
I just
Halloween
watch
Horror
a
Nights
lot
where you
of.
spent $800.
I watch a lot of YouTube, like true crime videos. So I'm always on YouTube.
World Market, and there's Premium. Yes, she is. And Miller's Sale House Forder.
Miller's Ale House. It was foods.
Great. So just bullshit all day. There's your $255 of fees because of your transfer at one point at some point this year, and then $46.95 of interest.
Okay.
Oh, and Little Caesars. I don't know if I said that.
What was the last thing? Okay. Not important. I've already been 3 times, and it's magnificent. It's a pass.
You've been. Get out of debt instead. You want to stop the transfers? Maybe. I mean, what do you mean maybe?
I can't fight you.
Huh?
I said I can't fight you. Yeah,
yeah, because that's the most basic ass thing you could do. Don't spend $700 you don't have. What was it? Yeah, $750 you don't have. And you'll spend money there. You'll get food. You'll get drink.
No, I don't spend.
Oh, come
no, I
on.
don't.
No
I
way.
buy candy, so I'll buy like $3 or $4 worth of the bulk candy. Their food's not really worth it, to be honest with you.
No, it's not. But neither is going when you've already been and you have debt that is accruing at 30% interest.
Yeah.
And a lot of more debts are going to be start accruing at 30% interest starting in literally just like a few weeks from now.
November 1st.
November 1st. Spooky season will be done.
I know.
But yours will just be starting.
I'll be sad. Womp womp.
And she's
Oh no.
throwing out womp womps.
Womp womp. That's my life. My motto. My theme song.
I'm gonna die. My theme song after filming an episode like this sounds like a trigger being pulled. Affirm.
Gun jokes in Texas. Wow. We got him in
You're in
Florida too.
dude. Yeah.
Yeah. I ain't hating.
Oh, good. We owe $500 on some Affirm, but it started at $6,000. What was this? Nair my plastic surgery. What did you get? You look your age. What's been done?
Maybe I had a facelift. No, don't make a joke. I didn't want you to be like, clearly you didn't, or you're ugly, or whatever.
No, you just literally look your age. So I'm like, what happened? What did you do?
I got a tummy tuck. I skipped my yearly vacation last year, and I got a tummy tuck in December.
Is that the skin removal?
Mm-hmm.
So you lost weight?
I was not recently,
but a long time ago, and you just had skin flapping around.
Yeah. And it was really a lot.
Flapping skin, okay.
Flappies. My flaps were flapping.
Oh.
I know. I shouldn't have said that. I know. That can be the thumbnail.
Again, age gap. Listen, age gap.
Well.
I'll do 10 years.
I'll say with the tummy tuck, so not only did it make my stomach look and I just feel so much better about myself, even though I'm like the only one that sees me naked.
Or $6,000.
$7,000
You're not out there dating?
No, I don't date. No, I'm good.
When's the last time you've been with someone?
Ew. Like 3 years ago.
Icky. Desperation or just like, ooh, let's try to live life a little?
I guess it was desperation. Let's call it that.
Why did you do it?
It was the long con.
Such an interesting, curious
We can save it for the after show if you want. It's a story. I told her. Did I tell you? No, I think I told another girl. I've been telling people.
You think all gingers look
People
alike?
need to know. No, I just was telling somebody today, so I just thought it was her. No, oh my God, no, I'm good.
You have not met a person in 3 years.
11. I've been single for 11 years. And I met one person 3 years ago. And then
that you
finned. Mm-hmm.
This is a finance show, so we're going to talk about her sex life. What made that happen?
It was the long con. So we were friends for years.
Was it Mickey?
And then he got a divorce. Mickey Mouse.
Oh, you f***ed your friend.
We were hanging out together for months. And then.
Was it a one-timer?
No, we started hooking up. Technically, I did.
Whoa. So 7 years of dry spell, we're like.
9 years at that time.
Yikes. Ooh.
And he totally took advantage and really screwed me over like crazy.
What does that even mean? What was screwing over? You were just
I think we should save this for the after show.
We'll save this for the post show is what it's called. Okay,
oh, sorry.
If you want the rest of the tea, we'll save it for the after show.
It's a good one. It's a good one.
I hope so.
Unlike my credit card debt.
Okay, well,
but real quick with the tummy tuck. So although I look and I feel so much better.
Good.
I've always had back problems, like very bad back problems. I have like an L3, whatever the hell. Well, since they stitch up your abs when they do the tummy tuck, I haven't had back pain in 8 months.
That's wonderful.
It's amazing. Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, it was debilitating.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was crazy. So yeah, I feel better.
Can't get your back blown out when it's already blown out, right?
LOL. That's true.
All right,
if they do it right.
Drop in literal verbal LOLs. Okay.
Oh, jeez. So technically the tummy tuck was $10,000 all in all, including aftercare, post massages, and undergarments.
Since we're both millennials, let me DH myself real quick. 6'7". Okay, we're good.
Let's go. He hates me. I hates me.
I don't.
I always say nobody will ever hate me more than I hate me, so good luck.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
Oh, yay.
I know.
That's joyful. What's your minimum monthly payment on this?
$500, but I have one more payment. Yeah, today, this month, the 18th.
Well done. Very good. I want to incorporate that into your minimum monthly payments then. Okay, City Simplicity, what's going on with this? City Simplicity, what's going on with this?
I don't know. I just put a lot of charges on it.
Oh, good. Well done.
So that one is just random charges.
You made a minimum monthly payment last time, and then you purchased $607. You had a credit of $3. Yes. $73 of interest.
What?
You're over the limit by $162.26. Oh, here it is. $4,162.26 with a minimum monthly payment of $277.84. Why? This takes 20 years to pay off.
How is
20 years to pay off.
I've never looked at that statement.
Great. Why would we look at statements that we are spending on?
I should do that.
You should do that because you're over the limit. You're going to get fees up to, oh my. Okay, we got some Klarna on here. We got Pure Beauty, more Klarna, Afterpay. Listen, here's the thing. Here's the thing. Let me tell you. She Afterpay, she Klarna's. Okay, well done. Instead of making her payments of her Klarna Afterpay, she puts it on a credit card. She pays her debt with debt, and then she transfers that debt to another card, lets it accrue, and then all of a sudden she pays the fee to transfer it to another credit card, and then she transfers it to another credit card. Till the end of time, it pays 1% balance fees on it. Until the end of day, and the balance only goes up because of the 1% fee. So every few months it goes up by 1% endlessly forever. That's how we pay for our Klarna. Well done. That's wonderful.
It seems much simpler than that when I'm doing
Afterpay,
it.
Pure Beauty, Klarna, Issues, Wendy's, going in, getting some bullshit, Wendy's, Peacock Premium. Why? I don't know. I guess the new Office show's coming out today. I'm excited for that, but we'll see.
Paperclip or something? What's it called?
Calm down. Five Below, Dunkin'
Donuts. I love their frozen coffee.
Okay.
It's good.
Klarna, Panda Express, Popeyes. What the f am I saying?
Popeyes.
Going to get into bullshit. And Afterpay. What are we doing? Interest accrued $500 this year so far.
That's a lot of money.
Yes. Why are you allowed to even consider yourself to spend this much money?
I don't know.
On cards you can't pay off that is now over maxed out while you just blow all your time doing a hobby.
Every
What a
day's
joke of a life you're living right now.
Yeah. I'm a clown.
Okay. So here is a judgment then. And this is more of a question than a judgment. Again, I don't care about the, I could be alone together forever. I don't care. If that's how we want to live our lives, that's fine. Again, that doesn't matter.
I don't want to be alone forever. I've just been alone for 11 years and I'm okay with that. I'm not going to settle.
You suggested you were okay with.
Oh, I am okay with that. Yeah.
In the future.
Yeah, I'm open to,
Okay.
I've been open, but I've been really focusing on building.
You've been opened 3 years ago, but that was the last time.
Yeah. That really put me in a bad way.
In the after show. I'm asking.
Post show.
I'm asking because you're alone, which inherently is not a bad thing. Because you have no one to rely on you because you don't have that other half or anything. Do you not have as much care to clean this up? Because you're living your life like a way where you don't give a shit. Mm-hmm. Is there nothing to achieve? Nothing to care for? Nothing that you are ambitious towards? I don't know. Is there no incentive here?
There is none. And there's nobody to hold me accountable. My two cats are
Shouldn't need
very
that,
bad
but I'm
at
talking
that.
about you wanting to improve your life for a reason.
Yeah. Well, not only because I just didn't realize how much bad credit card debt that I have.
But why do you even care?
Because, it's bad. And I don't want it to get
Why
big.
does it matter to you?
Because I just don't want it to get out of control. And I am open to having a relationship, but I'm not trying to bring this into the. I'm not. Also, I'm not trying to bring this into the relationship. I don't want them to bring 20 or 50,000 worth of car into their relationship.
Take someone's debt in a non-legal way.
Yeah, well,
when in your first year or two dating.
But when you date somebody, you help each other out. So
yeah, but not in your first at least few months.
Yeah, no.
So you can still get out there, okay. You're just spending nothing matters and you have no incentive to change. Because you don't, unfortunately. Listen, we're at a 30% interest for this.
Yeah.
All right, Built.
Yes.
This is the rent pay card, isn't it?
Yes.
Built, sponsor us. Come on, dude.
Oh my gosh, they totally should.
I agree, they totally should.
Totally.
Okay, well, at least you're not maxed out. $2,728.68. Well, you purchased $4,011. You think it's all rent, but I have a lot of highlights below, meaning it's not all rent. Oh, $28 your minimum monthly payment.
I usually don't use that card.
This one looks
but
like
I
it's
used
normally paid off, so I'm...
Yeah.
Oh, well, actually, never mind. If you normally don't, then I'm going to actually count it towards the debt. So never mind. Keeping it. 14 years to pay off. Sonic Drive-In. Taco Bell. Bath & Body Works. Margaritaville.
Oh.
In-flight sales. Pay. Pay.
What is that? OV pay?
Pay. Euro currency.
To go on the tram in the Netherlands.
Oh, good death. You just did that?
Yeah, maybe I went in June. The Margaritaville, though, was like $400, but it's only because we had a cabana and they put it all on my card, but everybody paid me back.
Who's we?
We is a bunch of wedding vendors. We had a pool day at Margaritaville. We got cabanas and we drank and ate and swam.
Tony's Chocolate, Netherlands.
Tony's Chocolate's the best.
Station Souvenir in Paris.
Yeah.
Crepere, Paris.
Yeah.
Vanguard Distributed, Paris. I don't know. Going in against the bullshit. Bernard's Market. Currency exchange. Hyatt Residency. This is crazy. That was $1,000. You can't afford this trip. You're drowning in debt. Your business doesn't make money, and you only make $44,000, like below the median net income for that area. What the f are you doing? Going on a big European trip at 42. Who the f do you think you are?
Queen Elizabeth. The Hyatt from
She's
Netherlands.
Dead. Are you suggesting that you're
day? I actually paid 2 nights with points, so they did refund that on the next statement.
Huh?
So the Hyatt
All
charged
of it was
for $1,000.
No, not 4. No.
Oh, it was for $1,000. So one night was supposed to be paid with cash, and then 2 nights were points, and they messed that up, but they did credit me on my next statement.
But the whole point of this card is to pay your rent on it. You're just going and blowing all this money in Europe.
I used it as my 0% foreign transaction fee card. So instead of
you spent a ton of money still.
Card, yes.
There were transactions at a minimum.
But no fees.
No fees, but you shouldn't have gone. You can't afford it in any way whatsoever.
My points were expiring.
That should have been a reward trip after you got out of debt and had a fully funded emergency fund.
I'm going to go to Antarctica.
Okay, that's not booked.
Not now. No. When I get out of debt.
Yeah,
I'm going to get back into $20,000 debt.
That's more your weather.
Going to Antarctica. Yeah, I'm going to wear a jacket and a cap. And
a cap.
Sealskin pants. You know, the drill.
Okay.
It's what they wear, right?
Stop.
Okay.
Southwest Rapid Rewards. What's going on with this lady?
I love Southwest. I flew them here and I will fly them home.
I've never heard someone say they like Southwest.
I love Southwest. My only problem is that they don't let you choose your seat in advance, but they're starting to do that, which actually kind of sucks.
Isn't that a pretty big thing that you would want to do?
Hell yeah. I do, because I like a window seat and I'd like to know
why do you
where
go
I'm
Southwest?
Because their customer service, like the guy yesterday when I flew here was acting like the Grinch. And it was fantastic. He was like being real mean.
I love the Grinch in September.
Yeah. Hey, I love the Grinch all year round.
That's what I like to see leading up to 9/11. Someone going crazy on an airplane.
Yeah. He was being real rude, calling people needy. It was fantastic.
It's so needy. This plane needs to go down.
Yeah. It wasn't the pilot, luckily. You needy bitches.
They weren't the ones who did it.
Oh, yeah, that's true. It wasn't the flight attendants.
They weren't the ones who did it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It was our government.
The #1 YouTube membership just got upgraded. 3 exclusive shows every day, Monday through Friday. Financial Audit post shows, exclusive and uncensored Financial Audit episodes, our call-in show, Hammer It Out.
Well, then take the train, you
and brand new shows, Fat and Fatter.
Yes. That one is. I would go off-brand.
Behind the Audit.
What?
This was wild.
Shop Smart. And now, upgrading from 1 live stream a week to 2. No other channel offers what Hammer Elite provides. Join with the link in the pinned comment or description below. Join Hammer Elite, the best membership on YouTube today.
$40 minimum monthly payment on this. Oh, for $461.13.
Yeah. I do the snowball method, so I'll have that paid
What
off.
do you mean when you say you do? You don't do a method.
I
You're
like to
spending,
pay
you're
the
blowing
small
money.
ones.
What? Blowing money on credit cards in Europe. What is your snowball method? You've never heard of snowballs in your life other than your Antarctica
pay the
trip.
Small ones first.
What do you mean you pay? You spend on this.
Oh yeah, but then I pay it.
No, you don't. Not always. That's not true. This takes 13 months to pay off. You've never heard of snowball method. You've had interest accrued this year so far. You don't always pay it back. David Ramsey does not agree with your snowball method.
That guy, he stole my bike.
David Ramsey?
Yeah. I don't know what his problem is.
He stole your bike.
I'm just kidding. I could have said he got
What
me
was
pregnant.
the joke? He got you pregnant?
Yes. And then he stole my bike. How am I going to get to the hospital and have this baby?
Is this a 42-year-old joke that I just have never heard of before?
No,
I've missed this one.
I'm bad at jokes. I try though.
Oh, you're okay. Honestly, just a little, in this kind of conversation, that personality annoys me. And I'm okay with it outside of here. But that it just wasn't, what even was that?
Whenever.
Okay. Over a year to pay off. Good. Amazon, all glammed up.
Yep, gotta get my hair did.
Curb, La Madeline. Going in and getting some bullshit.
French pastries. Well, oui.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Pull up your Amazon for me, if you may, please.
So we do share. So I use my work through my day job, my full-time office job. We have the Amazon.
How many? Well, I wouldn't know what's yours then. Tell me what's yours.
Oh. Well, I buy scar tape for my scar.
How big is it?
My scar?
So you have to wear it constantly?
It's scar tape, so it helps get rid of your scar.
Will it?
Yeah, I hope so. Because I also use the cream with it. That's what my doctor recommended. Oh, I bought air filters for my house.
Okay.
I bought, wow, we buy a lot of stuff. Oh, I bought a hand fasting cord where the couple will have their hands tied together when they, I bought a filter for my car.
Thought we already did that.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I bought AC filters for my house, and then I bought a cabin air filter for my car. Wow, okay.
You endlessly pay a shit ton of money on Southwest to go to South Dakota?
I love South Dakota.
What are you?
I love it. It's my home away from home. You can get a really good deal going
because it's South Dakota.
From Orlando to Denver. And then you rent a car in Denver and you drive up to South Dakota.
That is not close.
Yeah, it's like 3 or 4 hours. It's 3.5 hours.
Okay.
To get to South Dakota from Denver.
The border.
And it's way better than to get to the Black Hills of South Dakota where I go, near Mount Rushmore.
You're always
Custer State Park.
Orlando, Africa.
Yeah, what?
Black Hills.
Yeah, the Black Hills.
I think I know your type.
Yeah. What? Country? White trash?
BBC.
What is my type? Big, whoa. What? What is it? I don't know what that means. BBC.
By the way, it's a 6-hour drive via the maps.
It's a 6-hour drive?
She doesn't even know.
There's no driven it many times.
She doesn't even know time. She doesn't even know time. Okay.
Whatever. I could swear I drove it in 3.5, 4 hours.
670 miles. We clocked it 6 hours, 2 minutes if you leave right now.
Interesting.
Okay, PayPal. Business loan. Oh, you have a business loan for the business that makes no money?
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Why not?
Because the business makes no money.
Yeah.
Would be my why not.
I feel like the business does make money.
Oh,
but
interesting, because your taxes didn't say
need
that,
to
which
take a look at my
means
taxes.
IRS.
Yes.
Did you hear that? She says her business doesn't make any money when she files her taxes, but she's saying here that she actually makes money.
I feel like it does. But clearly I need to review.
You feel like a 6-hour drive is 3 hours. You feel like you have money in your savings. You don't.
I do.
Well, you have money, but it's not what you think. Everything is feelings based with you. It doesn't work.
Yes. What? I'm sorry. I spaced out. I do that a lot. I disassociate. It's the only way I get around.
Do you go into the office for your job?
No, we work from home.
Oh, I need you to have human interaction.
No, I get enough at the weddings.
I guess. That's like not normal. That's like wedding energy.
Yeah, it's a different person. That lady up there doing weddings is not me.
Okay, so what's the current balance on this? I don't know. Well, you just took it out, so okay. $5,000 then.
Probably like $3,700
payment.
Yeah,
it's a weekly payment. Death of $101.85. The interest looks like it's like 15.
I pay it with my credit card. I don't do that. Just kidding. I knew you'd love that though. It shouldn't have any weekly or monthly or any interest because I paid the one-time fee.
Yeah, which is what that is. I'm calculating
Oh, okay.
that.
I see what you mean.
$407 a month.
Yes, sir.
What did you take this out for?
To pay down my debts, my business. So I have the advertising that comes out on my one credit card. So I definitely used it for that. And then maybe other stuff. Maybe I used it to go to
Wait, do you not know?
Europe.
Did you?
No, I didn't do that. I used
What
my
did you
tax
use this
return
for? What did you take it out for? I'm asking
to
you
pay
that
off my
question.
debts. So I paid off credit cards. A lot of my Chase
And that
Bank
works
card.
so well.
I know.
Keep doing over and over again, and it's never worth once.
It'll happen one time. I'll get it paid down. I'm excited. I'm ready.
You are middle-aged, right?
Yeah. What? And?
Like, if it's going to happen, why hasn't it? You're in the middle of your life.
All of this is literally after 2022. So I just went buck wild, apparently. I just didn't realize like how wild I was going. But I did. And here we are.
Best Buy? You have a Best Buy? Oh! You have a Best Buy card with a substantial balance. $3,260.30. Why? What? Let me guess. You need a laptop to send emails?
No. Well, I mean,
$33 minimum due payment. You purchased $39.70 for some moronic ass reason. By the way, 18 years to pay this off. Minimum due payments without any purchases, which you purchase. What the fuck is going on?
with the Best Buy card?
Yes. Why is it at such a substantial balance? Let's start there.
So I did a balance transfer offer.
Oh, okay, great. On the Best Buy card. I didn't even, who uses that for that?
They do
And
that.
then she went to Sonic Drive-In and got gas. What the
No, I didn't. I got
you did. Yes,
corn
you did.
dogs.
It's right there.
Oh, I thought you meant I got gas at Sonic. I got corn dogs at Sonic.
You can't get gas at Sonic.
I was wondering why you said that. I thought you said you got gas at Sonic.
Oh.
You just talk so fast. I can't keep up. My brain is slow.
Oh, you're telling me. Oh,
Like a Sunday morning. It's just slow.
Huh?
You know, slow and chill.
It's Thursday, you mother.
Damn it.
30% interest rate of death and stupidity and moronic behavior.
You want
$151 to fees from the transfer. Okay, when does that interest start accruing from the big balance? Oh, good. Like 5 weeks.
Yeah. 5 weeks. Oh, like November 1st. Mm-hmm. So that card, I had a promotional offer on it from when I purchased probably my last phone a couple years ago. And it went down to $150 that I had to pay off. And I didn't notice and I didn't pay it off. And then one day I woke up and there was $1,200 in deferred interest on my bill. And I was like, what? So I called them and they took it off.
Really?
I almost died though.
You don't deserve that.
I don't deserve that. And the guy was so nice about it. But he said, as long as you can pay it off right now. And I was like, I totally will, because I didn't realize I had just that much. I didn't know I had anything left on that loan. I thought it was zero. So that was a big lesson learned.
Okay, USA Bank.
Yep.
Credit card. US Bank. Okay, on this you owe $2,552.52. Great. Not that far from max out. $78 minimum payment.
Woo.
Oh, interest $52.52 accruing. So what are we doing with this?
What? I honestly can't remember what I put on that card. It was like a year ago.
It was a year ago.
I'm telling you, my spending, it's just
$82 in fees
buy.
this year. I don't think this has a... What is that fee for? $82 in fees? Is that late payments? $53 of interest? Which means interest has just started accruing, so your interest-free period on something has just ended.
Yes. Okay. I don't know what the fee
So what are
is
you going
for,
to do?
but I'm not late.
Transfer this?
Probably.
Dude, this is what you do over and over again.
Yeah.
You're never going to result in any progress in your life.
Agreed.
Yet you do it.
Yes.
That means nothing. Your agreeing with me does nothing.
It definitely doesn't take back all the credit card charges or prevent any future ones.
Yeah. Okay. Chase Ink card. What's going on with this?
That's the card that my advertising goes on.
Well, you owe $500. Yeah, you spent $213. Yeah, interest accrues. So yes, we're gonna call this a balance. $500.90. Minimum monthly payment $188.76. Okay. Fees $9.80 of fees for what?
$9? Did you say $9?
Last month. $69 this year. Oh, it's a plan fee. A plan fee
Yeah.
for Airbnb?
Yeah.
And then a plan fee for seduction?
That's
Cosmetics?
my plastics or my tummy tuck. So I said it was $7,000 because I paid a $1,000. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh! 21.49% interest rate. Went and got some bullshit thing from the supermarket. Got some gas. Something at Honda. I don't know.
Oh, an oil change. Always an oil change. I drive a lot, so I get,
What's going on with this?
How much is
Two,
that
what's
balance?
going on with $1,014.07.
Oh, so that's the one that my advertising goes on. I actually don't know.
She spent $863.11. $14.07 of interest is accruing. Yeah, G Suite, the not worldwide.
That's advertising, yeah.
Okay, and then the not worldwide, that's advertising. Okay. $22 of interest this year so far. Okay, minimum monthly payment is
credit card interest tax
$40.
deductible on a business credit card? Because I don't claim my interest. And you're the tax pro.
I actually don't know. I'm not the tax.
I know. I was kidding. I was kidding. But I'm going to talk to a CPA.
I know lots of tax questions, but I actually don't know the answer to that. I mean, someone proposed at some point having all interest on credit cards being tax deductible, but I think that would
be awesome.
That would be ridiculous because why the would we allow someone's behavior to be tax deductible and then all of a sudden just never paying off their debt? It's so stupid. And then it's just a business that would just be so beneficial to the credit card companies. Like we're just supporting them as a country and culture. That's so weird.
Yeah.
Like subsidizing them.
Amen to that.
I doubt the interest itself would be tax deductible, but your payments to the card, no, because then you're spending. Interest you pay on a credit card is deductible as a business expense if the charges on that card were used solely for a business purpose.
Wow, that's awesome.
Sole proprietor, deducted on Schedule C. Yeah.
That's what I file, Schedule C.
Okay, so yeah, you should be doing quarterly, by the way.
Oh, okay, I will. 2 quarters behind.
Late fees are not tax deductible, though.
Yeah. Okay.
Why wouldn't everyone just... Okay. Okay, Freedom Card. What's going on with this?
Freedom. I just have one recurring charge on that.
Great, $125, but you don't pay it all off. $204 is owed and 81 cents. Minimum monthly payment, $25. Which is all you put towards the last time, and then allowed that recurring charge to hit. $4.81 of interest. That is a medical spa. Something critical when we can't afford life.
Correct.
Great. Wonderful. Honda. Oh, this is your car. You're driving everywhere, right?
Yes, sir. It's got 74,000 miles on it now, and I got it when it was 6 miles.
Okay. Good.
In 2 years.
Well, you owe $27,124.90. Interest rate of what?
5 point.
Yeah, okay. Not the most horrendous thing in the world. Not thrilled with the depreciating asset. $551.60 is your minimum monthly payment. That's kind of sucks for your income situation for sure. What do you think it's worth?
So cash 26, Trade in 21 to 23.
I got cash 24, but
Oh, that sucks. I Kelly Blue booked it. Like,
so did we.
oh, weird. Okay. Yeah, they keep trying.
I mean,
to
if you
email
got
me.
up on the higher end, but if you bring in the low end and then do in the middle, it's about 24.
Yeah.
So
I mean, I couldn't
excited.
private sell it anyway. I'd have to trade it in or something. Take a loss.
Well, this minimum monthly payment is substantial for your income.
For sure.
Breaks every rule in the book. What is that? $511.60.
I figured if shit hit the fan, I could live in it.
You might have to.
My standards are pretty
low. It's literally 21% of your income.
Yeah.
Why don't you trade down?
Maybe, but I love it. It was the best thing that ever happened to me, which tells you how sad my life is. The best thing that ever happened to me was I got to do a wedding in Alaska
I don't
on
care.
a glacier.
I'm sorry. I don't care. That's not
You
this
do.
conversation. That's not this conversation.
You can get married there too.
This is not this.
So I have been car shopping I've been car shopping on Carvana recently.
Trade in?
I don't know. I was actually going to ask you that. I'm getting the itchies.
Well, we got a couple options.
So I'm going to
2015
here we
Toyota
go.
Corolla.
Yeah.
And a 2017 Toyota Corolla.
Yeah.
And a 2017 50th anniversary edition
I
Toyota
don't know
Corolla.
what that means.
And a 2016 Toyota Corolla. We're going Toyota Corolla across the board.
Sounds good.
I want you to shop and choose which one you would trade in.
Let's see here.
Yeah, take the options. Don't pull off the sticky yet. Because these are what you're shopping
Oh,
for.
this is what I'm shopping
Lindsay's
for.
been said this is what you've been shopping for. So here's the options that we've pulled.
So this is literally what I've been
Yeah.
looking at.
So yeah, pick what you'd pick. Look what you pick. You got the miles on there. And by the way, this is in Orlando, Florida too. This isn't even here.
Probably the 2015 with 52,000.
Okay, 2015, 52,000. Let's see what that is going for. $16,990. So
Ooh, I was hoping it'd be
you
14.
would be at a $20,000 loan. So it doesn't really make sense anyway, especially with where your credit score likely is and where interest rates are. Your interest rate wouldn't be great. So that makes no sense.
My credit score is a 735.
Well, that's if you're shopping on Carvana.
They have fees to deliver, so I'm hesitant. Like I'll drive to Tampa or wherever to get it, but
But if we get this 2017 Toyota Corolla, $73,000, not on Carvana, that's $12,000. So we would be at like a
How?
$15,000 loan because Carvana's a piece of shit company
oh, I was gonna say
that
like,
milks you and they won't even negotiate anything.
oh yeah. No, that's
Now
fine.
this does have more miles for what
Yeah.
it's worth, but it is a newer car. Who knows what the condition is? And so this is a Carvana one, if I'm not mistaken. This is the $16,900 car, Toyota Corolla, 2017, with 70,000 miles. So substantially expensive. But if we go to the 2016 car, comparable more to your 2015, at 79,000 miles, this Toyota Corolla, not a Carvana, 10,900.
Ooh.
So either way, I mean,
would
that
be
would
nice.
save you with the value that you need to borrow to pay off the car loan with what you currently still owe on it and what it's worth. That would be a total debt of like $13,000 if you got that car. I'd be down with that. Trade it in, $13,000 loan. That would be good. That would be substantially better than a 24. But again, the interest rate might be rough, but if it is, you're still saving more money if we pay it off quick.
yeah.
So that would still be worth it in my mind. Okay? All right, let's talk about the checking account. $31. That's f***ing horrendous.
Yeah, my personal checking.
and
I
it's
keep no money
brutal.
in that account.
That's horrible, though. If any payment hits for whatever reason or even just accidental swipe.
I have overdraft
accidental tap.
protection, so it pulls from my savings account when I do that.
So yeah, let's see. $50 PayPal, $45 Zelle.
$50 is to my dad for PayPal.
And the Zelle. And the Zelle, I said.
$45?
Yeah. And the rest is just transfers back and forth.
Not sure what a $45 Zelle would be. Probably
Okay.
something stupid though.
And then this Chase Business Checking, $2,750, started at $4. So it's headed on the way down.
I loaned my brother that extra money.
Why? Why are you loaning your brother
Because
money?
he needed money.
Dude, you just don't have any.
But I have it in my checking account.
no,
I
it should be
know.
going to debt.
In
what
real
did he need
life,
it
I
for?
have
What
the
did he
money.
need it for?
I don't ask him what he
In
needs.
real life,
He's not
this
doing
is real life.
drugs,
These are your statements.
so I don't care what he spends his money on.
No,
he
what
has
did he need money for? He just said he
to
needed
live,
money?
for, like,
you might
rent
be
and
enabling
stuff.
someone you don't even know.
No,
Lots
it's
of
not like
Venmoing
that.
and Zelling, a lot of ATM would draw 3 and an 8. Who knows where that went?
Drugs.
PayPal, Best Buy, Zelle, PayPal, Zelle, Best Buy, PayPal, Zelle, PayPal, Best Buy. What are you getting from Best Buy every second of your life? Okay, here's savings, $2,000.
Woo woo.
And then here's savings, $2,650.
Wait a second.
Okay, so it's about half of what we thought, but that's, again, not surprising at all.
It is $9,000.
In any way whatsoever. Okay. $4,000 in savings. Gotcha.
It's 9. It was 9.
Isn't. Okay.
No, I mean,
4,000.
This time period, it was 9. I don't know why. I don't know. Because I have 2 savings and 2 checking accounts.
Your checking isn't savings. And that was 2,000 in your business that was brought down from 4. So you're right. If you add the 4 and 4, you're close to 8, but you brought it down to 2, loaning to your friend. And that's not savings anyway. That's your business. So listen, stop. No more. These are your statements. Okay. You have 4,000 in savings. You have a couple thousand in your business checking. Okay? That is it. And like $40 in your personal checking. So I don't want to hear it.
Got it.
Oh my gosh. Dude. I don't think you know what savings is.
The money I've been saving.
Okay, your income is $2,452. We're going to do expenses not including business because it's a wash. So debt payments. Let's add those up. 75 plus 78 plus 227 plus 0.84 plus 28 plus 40 plus 407.4 plus 33 plus 78 plus 188.76 plus 40 plus 25 plus 551.6. No student loans, no house, so nothing that's actually benefiting us in any way whatsoever. Minimum monthly payments to the debt, $1,772.60. That's crazy for your income. That is death. That is insanity. You are ruined. That is 72% of your income is going to debt. What is your rent?
$1,850.
You're over $1,000 over budget already.
Between the minimum payments and the rent?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. 1, you need to downgrade your living situation immediately.
Okay.
You're getting
Can I get a roommate?
Like 9. Yes, please.
Cool.
You kidding me?
Just kidding. I don't want a roommate. I'll have my 2 cats pay rent.
Okay, so it's a joke to you.
Nope.
You need to downgrade your rent situation capped at $1,000, which, yes, it's not going to be perfect. It's going to be a downgrade. It's not great. I know. $1,000. That's where you're capping.
What?
What? And 2,
I don't know.
Listen.
Yes.
You can dedicate time to this side hustle, whatever bullshit, but you got to pick up in other side hustle. It is time to pick up something else. And I did just get a note, which thank goodness, because I wouldn't be able to budget this without this. But I guess you're open to calling your friend and ask for a side hustle. So we always do phone calls in the post show. So you're going to call your friends and ask for this job in the post show. And then we'll hear more about your tea. But the reality is, I mean, what the this is crazy. 300 for food, 100 for TP fund. What's your gas?
160.
Yeah, but that's going against your business, so we're actually going to write that off. And also, that number doesn't really make sense for the miles you drive.
I don't write off my gas. I do my mileage. Does that?
Okay, but yes, that's going to cross for me.
Okay.
So I'm not going to put that in your budget. Phone bill?
For $40 a month.
Okay, that's pretty good. That's a little more than what we recommend of helium, but that's fine. Internet, utilities, all that?
$60 for internet. 75 for water, 150 for electric.
Medical health care copays, anything?
I have my $50 mental health every month. And
What's up that to 100?
15, it's not therapy. Although I could benefit from that. $15 a month for dental insurance. $100 every 3 years for eye insurance.
Okay, that's fine.
Gotta see.
Gym?
$15.
Subscriptions. It's not even a choice.
No,
Cat
they're
food.
all going away.
Cat food.
$40 a month.
Just your budget alone, and I can't wait for this phone call but the thing is, as far as I know, you haven't talked to your friend. Your friend doesn't even know about this, and this was the idea that you kind of came up with in the green room as a way to supplement your income, because as you looked at your statements before this, you're like, there's no way I can make this work. So you're going to call, and you were going to try to get a job in the post show for the very first time. You need $5,000 to survive at a minimum basis, $5,024. You need to double your income at a minimum basis. This is crazy. That's where we are. I'm sorry. There's no debt payoff strategy. We need to figure out the income thing.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get the financial score, and then we'll jump into the post show. So I need a budget. You overspend 0 out of 10. Debt, no collections or anything, but it's horrendous debt for your income. 1 out of 10. Emergency fund, 4,000. We'll call that 4 out of 10. Retirement, I didn't see retirement. 0 out of 10. Is there retirement?
Walmart.
How much?
No, I'm the Walmart greeter.
I'll say 0 out of 10. Hammer financial score, 1 out of 10.
I'm going to die at 63.
When you took your quiz, your savings was probably higher, or you calculated your savings incorrectly like you did here, and that's why the score was higher. Remember, you can get your score at calebhammer.com. Now join Hammer Elite below. 3 premium shows posted every single day, Monday through Friday, and come watch this post show. We'll see you there. It's going to be good. I want to hear the rest of that juicy story.
I told this guy when he was hitting on this other lady while we were together, I said, if you screw her, I will f her husband. And then
God.
You want to play games with me? I'll show you games.
Oh, you're crazy.
Exclusive members content. Click the link in the description or pinned comment below and watch thousands of hours of extra and uncensored content.